Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then let's scroll and find this option, build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, so no worries, that's normal. After that, we have to go back to the general settings and open the system. And here, almost at the very bottom, we've got developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable USB audio routing, we can show hardware layers updates, show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. If you wish to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. It is pinned to the top of the screen. So simply tap on it. Most of the options will be inactive, as you can see. And after getting back to the general settings and opening the system again, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.